Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. The first thing I had to share with you before my company arrived is the new bedding in the guest room for Christmas. I absolutely love this quilt. It is so cute, especially the little red Christmas trees really pop with the white background, and I think they're going to love it. We got stuffing, gravy, ham, green beans, right? We got mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and turkey. There's the turkey. And then we got rolls on the table. Right after we got finished eating our Thanksgiving dinner, Mom and I decided to make these really cute snowflakes. And in a future vlog, I will probably share how I made these. There are several different videos on YouTube, and you kind of have to decide for yourself how you like to make them, but I think they came out really, really cute. Now it's time for some Black Friday shopping, and we went to Michael's. Now we are in Menards checking out all the sales.
Christmas plaques.
Yeah, that's the ones I was looking at.
Hot chocolate.
Are they on the bottom?
The hot chocolate's right there.
How cute. What one's that?
For the holiday.
Cute. I don't really have anywhere to put them now that I got my new coffee pictures Dad got me.
Okay.
What are these?
White gift boxes.
Oh, Lord. fart filter.
Baby shield. This is what somebody needed at one time at your house.
Baby shield.
Oh, here you go.
Goodness, oh Lord, that's terrible.
These are prank gift boxes. That's what they think they're getting.
As you can see, Mom and I always have a good time when we go shopping. You never know what we're going to find or what kind of trouble we're going to get into.
And there's the big ones up there.
They're kind of pricey. Do they last?
They bloom during Christmas.
That's
Pretty one.
Poinsettias are $1, what, 49?
$7.99
No,
for these. Oh yeah.
they're pretty.
Yeah, they
Oh,
are
you're
pretty.
talking about those
Yeah,
big
these
ones.
are the big ones.
If you have been watching me for a while, you know that I absolutely love looking at the Christmas villages. And Menards really has it going on with all the Christmas village setup. It was so pretty and so unique. And if you're looking for Christmas village, check out Menards because they have it all. Dinner made easy with leftovers. We have mashed potatoes and gravy, and which wasn't much, and macaroni, turkey, green beans, tiny bit of stuffing, iced tea, and this is the cookie tray. Dad's got his. Ronnie's got his. Now the next morning, I decided to make us all a really big breakfast. I made bacon, sausage, I made fried potatoes and biscuits. And as you can see, I'm enjoying my coffee, and it was delicious. And even Bella had a little relaxation that morning. Here, Mom. Say hi. Hi. As you can tell, we are in Walmart having a good look around at all the Christmas stuff. We always have fun no matter where we're at. At Walmart, I just wanted to come in here and say that they have really stepped it up this year with some new inventory. It just seemed like Walmart was repetitiously putting out the same idea. This year, I noticed several different packaged items, cute gift baskets. I even noticed some new advent calendars. So if you act really quickly, because I'm sure they won't be around for long, I think you'll find some really amazing deals and some cute ideas actually at Walmart. Now, we decided to drive around the stadium. As you can hear, the Marshall football game is going on. And we are actually at Wendy's getting a peppermint frosty. I highly suggest it. They are super delicious. Then Mom and I headed home to make some Christmas presents. We made these really cute keychains out of paracord. It was so much fun to make. And I think all of my friends are really going to like their little gifts this year. Then we had supper, and it was Little Caesars. Now, for the last day that they were here, we ordered Texas Roadhouse. And then we had decided to watch a movie, which is one of my favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all that we did. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and have a blessed day.